Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. So today I'm just doing a quick faux lock tutorial. I'm doing the crochet faux locks and using the spring twist hair to wrap. And I'm just showing you what my hair looked like, and in the next clip what the braids look like, and I twisted it on the ends. And then I'll show you how I wrap it towards the end of the video. So if you want to see how I get this look, then just keep on watching. All right, so here I just put on some clothes, put on a little makeup, so when I do the end result, I can look like an actual YouTuber, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, so last night I pretty much finished the rest of my hair, and I left two in the front, so that way it was easier for you to see how I, wrap the hair with the spring twist hair. So I'm just getting the rest of my locks out of the way, so that way I can expose the two that are not done, and it's easier for you to see in the camera. And I'm using the Afri hair in spring twist and the free tress Bona lock in 18 inches. So FYI, just so you are aware, whatever length that you get when you do the spring twist hair with it and you wrap it, it gets longer by at least 2 to 4 inches. So with the spring twist hair, you want to make sure that you split it into about 4 to 5 pieces, depending on how thick you want the spring twist hair, or if you want it to show. I didn't want mine to show, so I did it as thin as possible, just using the spring twist hair to secure the lock so it didn't unravel. And there I was just showing you the length difference between the wrapped lock and the unwrapped lock. Now in wrapping, make sure you leave a little bit of excess, like to wrap around the lock to better secure the spring twist hair, and then you start wrapping from the root to the end. And please, the secret to this look is do not pull the spring twist hair tight around the lock, or it will look like more of a twist than a seamless lock. So do not pull it when you wrap it. Literally just wrap it around and fling the hair and don't tug. And you'll get the seamless look. So once you get towards the end, what I do is I use my teeth to hold the lock in the middle to create less tension on my actual scalp. And then once you get to the bottom, you want to go back up, but make sure you're holding the end piece tightly so it doesn't unravel on itself. It sounds complicated, but it's really not. Literally go all the way down to the lock, and then once you get close to the end, just go back up, keep twisting. And then keep twisting until you run out of hair. So that way you don't have to use any glue or anything like that. It's literally just a seamless lock with just hair. So once you're done, just to better secure the lock, palm roll it so that way it doesn't unravel on the ends or wherever you finish wrapping the hair. And if you do want better security, you can use super glue. Do not use Gorilla Glue. Use regular nail super glue. And just a little bit, and make sure your hair is not where you're putting the glue, because you can't blame me. That's your fault, sis. So I tried to get a little bit closer so you can see it better the second time around, but you just leave a little bit of excess of the spring twist hair, attach it to the root, start wrapping at the root until the end of the lock, and then just go back up. So once you get to the end, go back up, palm roll, and you're done. And that's it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. And let me know if you like content like this, and I'll start doing more hair tutorials and stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. So here I'm just showing you how fluid the locks look when you do the crochet with the spring twist hair instead of the marley hair. You get a lot more fluidity in the locks, and I love that about this style. So let me know if you try it.